I'm really happy with my IGCSE results and somewhat surprised, especially with subjects such as biology and chemistry, which I never would have dreamed of achieving an A-star. However, I've realised that after putting in the hard work and the dedication, it is possible to achieve those grades and at the same time keep a balanced lifestyle with academics and sports. I now feel prepared for the IB and much more confident about my studies.
After experiencing these exams over the last few months and receiving my results, I'm really satisfied with how everything turned out. But there were some blips in our journey, and I think if I could give any piece of advice, something that you might not hear as often, is that I think that students should put more emphasis on learning things correctly the first time rather than relying on studying, but to actually engage a lot more focused in class and to put more work throughout the entire 2-year process as opposed to putting things off until the last minute. It's that consistency that gives the best results within students.
Receiving my results, I was really nervous, but in the end I felt really proud of myself because I received amazing grades for how long I was here, because I only was in the second half of IGCSE, so I had to do both years in one, and overall I think it was a hard experience, but all the hard work and extra hours I put in with teachers and family really paid off.
I think preparing for IGCSE, the biggest thing is to keep all your notes in order and read over what you learned in school at the end of the day, and do that every day so you can have your notes in order and go over them as much as you can. And it's a very tiring process, but in the end you get the results you want.
Satisfied with my GCSE results. I think I've received them through asking questions throughout the GCSEs. And this is a very important skill in IB, as we're expected to be good inquirers and risk takers.
My results made me feel really proud, and I feel like I'm more ready to tackle IB in a more confident way. Also, it was really nice to know that all the hard work I put in paid off in the end when I saw them, and it was a big relief to find them out after having to wait.